Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette, and today I'll show you how to replace the battery in the key fob. The same style of key fob was used across many GM vehicles in the late 90s and early 2000s, but they're not interchangeable. So if you're looking to purchase a new one, then you'll need to make sure the part number matches the one from your old remote. I'm replacing the battery in the remote for this car because it only works sometimes, but as you'll see later, it has another problem.
Fixed.
With the key ring removed, I used a wide flathead screwdriver to pry the cover apart using the built-in groove and a smaller flathead screwdriver to push the battery out. I didn't notice it at the time, but the solder has broken at this connection, which is the real reason the key fob hasn't been working right. The required battery is a CR2032. These batteries are also used in other things, like watches and computers, and I've been going through a lot of them lately. Insert the new battery with the positive side up as shown. The back cover should easily snap into place. I couldn't find it anywhere, but if my soldering iron ever turns up, I'll see if I can fix that broken connection in an upcoming video.
That doesn't work?
If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.